a rare find in the Harbor Ridge section of Harbor Club, a home with a courtyard entry garage and a unique floor plan. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home has hardwood floors in its public spaces. The large great room has a vaulted ceiling, fireplace, west/gas logs, and built-in bookcases. The separate dining room is just off the great room. The kitchen has granite on the breakfast bar and separate island west/built-in wine cooler. There is a separate dining area in the kitchen. The master suite on main features a tray ceiling, private master bath with an extra-large walk-in shower, dual sink vanity, jetted tub and walk-in closet. There is a second bedroom west/adjoining bath on the main. The separate laundry room is on the main floor. On the second floor there is THE3 or D bedroom suite with its own bath and 3 closet/storage areas. The backyard is enclosed by a stone wall west/gate, a rarity in Harbor Club. The yard also has a flagstone patio shaded by a vine-covered arbor. Enjoy carefree living as the Harbor Ridge POA fee covers landscape maintenance.